So hi everyone, so welcome back to another video. As you all know, Tech Mahindra have started their hiring, and this hiring was for 2023 batch students. I have already given the apply link, and I have also given like the details of previous rounds as well. So now this video is going to be regarding interview questions of Tech Mahindra. As you all know, the first three rounds of Tech Mahindra, this particular exam is already completed. The aptitude round, the coding round, or the technical round, and the third round of the conversational and communication round is also completed. So many people who have given their Tech Mahindra third round test, that is the conversational test, and almost everyone will get the uh, in technical interview mail, or the technical interview round mail, because this is not going to be elimination type of round. Okay, unless you have made some mistakes and all, you will be getting the interview mail. So the interview mail is coming already, because the exam was done 2-3 days ago. So the interview mail is already coming for those who have been promoted for the interview round. Okay, so the interview, they have said that might be a online or offline mode interview, and they have said that the particular slots for the interviews will be sent by email for many candidates. So it will not be happening in a particular time for everyone. Okay, so everyone will have different times, and they will mail their times. Then the interviews will be from 25th. Okay, so there will onwards, it is written as onwards, so that means from 25th, some might have their interview on 26th and 27th as well. So this time the interview or the technical interview is going to be very tough, because they have almost passed everyone in the technical round, or that is the coding and technical MCQs round. So almost everyone passed that round, whoever have appeared for that. Okay, so then after that they have taken the conversational round or communication round, which is mostly there is no elimination in that round as well. Okay, so the numbers are going to be large who will be appearing for interviews. So also they have mentioned in earlier that the interviews might happen on offline mode as well. For particular that case, you need to go to Tech Mahindra office, nearest office location, whichever is nearest for you. They will be giving you mails for that particular details as well, and then you have to give the offline mode interview, or like physical mode interview from office of Tech Mahindra. And if you clear that technical interview, there will be HR interview. So I'm going to give you the details and how to prepare for it, what to prepare for it. So before moving on to that, if you are new to the channel, just do subscribe. If you want to see more hiring updates and more patterns or preparation videos, I'll be posting that regularly, and do join our Telegram channel. So let's move on to the actual topic of our video, that is the Tech Mahindra interview preparation. So the basic things they will ask in your interview is going to be regarding the first thing you need to prepare for it is going to be your resume. Whatever you have written in your resume, make sure you know all that, and if you write it, you make sure you know it. Okay, if you write some skills in the resume, if you mention some courses you have done, make sure you know about it, because they are going to ask from it, and make sure you can answer all them. Okay, otherwise it is going to give a bad impression that you are faking your skills. Okay, so don't do that. Also there are going to be questions, even if you mention it or not, there are going to be questions from your curriculum, because main subjects or computer science based subjects in your curriculum, because this is the IT job obviously. So prepare well for codings, and prepare well for some basic codings, as well as some sorting algorithms, because those are like basic parts of the DSA, and you should know some sorting algorithms, that is the basic algorithms you should know. And also like the comparisons of like different language, like if you are writing C++ and Java, you should know like when should you use and what is the difference between them, what is good and what is the pros and cons and all. Also this type of question may also come, may or not also come, but the main questions which you need to must prepare are your like some basic DSA, basic codings, and OOPS and SQL. Okay, OOPS and SQL concepts you must know, because they are going to ask from your OOPS concept and OOPS based knowledge. There are basically like 4 things in the OOPS, the 4 pillars of OOPS. Make sure you learn those concepts with like clear image or clear concept. Also along with their examples, the more you give examples to make them understand, also real life examples as well, the better for you. Okay, the better impression you left. And the next thing you should learn is SQL. If you do not learn SQL, or if you have like, if you want to like just one day before your interview, if you want to revise your SQL, there is a SQL playlist in my channel. Go watch that. That is one of the best SQL playlist, like for basic SQL you can you can have in the easiest way explained. Okay, there is also one question asked in previous years of Tech Mahindra interview, again and again, is like find out nth salary or find out nth age. Okay, like find out the third largest salary, okay, but third highest salary, or third oldest person, like that. So how to solve this type of questions in SQL query? They will ask you to write these queries. Okay, if they ask questions from SQL, you have to write the query. Okay, and whatever it may be in like online or offline, whatever the mode is, they will ask this type of questions to you. You should go and check this video is also there. And the next thing is like after SQL, you should also know like basic DBMS concepts like ACID properties, okay, tables and foreign key, primary key, these things also. Okay, table schema, what are these? And make sure if you have done any project, make sure you can explain your project, the technologies you have used in your project, why you have used them, what are the advantages you got for using those technologies and all. Enough for cracking their Tech Mahindra interview. If you prepare for these things, if you start from today also, that's why I'm making the video earlier, because you will have time in your hand. Okay, because the interview date I have already mentioned, you have time for that. Going to be 25th October, so you have almost 6-7 days time yet, and you can go and prepare these particular things which I have mentioned. Make a list of this and prepare these things clearly, then you will be good to go for the interview round. So that's it.